This is a compressed MuseScore file. MuseScore is free, open source music software. Just download the app to open this sheet music. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the link. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective MSCZ file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. The MSCZ file extension is associated with MuseScore, a free and open source music notation software. MSCZ files store musical scores including notes, rhythms, clefs, key signatures, and other musical elements. These files can be opened, edited, and played back using MuseScore, allowing musicians to create and share their compositions. The MSCZ file format is a compressed archive containing the musical score data in a structured format. It typically includes XML files that define the musical notation, as well as other resources such as fonts and images. The format is designed to be platform independent, allowing scores to be easily shared and opened on different operating systems. Guaranteed access to MSCZ files is typically achieved using MuseScore from open source. Windows can preview the image, but lacks the internal codec for true rendering. Windows can preview audio content easily, but full production work requires dedicated audio tools. For guaranteed results, right-click your MSCZ file and select Open With. Use MuseScore first if it's on your PC. If it's missing, try another application. Finding the perfect reader can take a few attempts. If your MSCZ file is not opening yet, that is normal. You're dealing with a truly tricky MSCZ file. We must now test the most common points of failure. Let's see exactly where the error is originating. First, use MuseScore. Open the file using MuseScore, the required application for the musical score. Next, check version. Ensure your MuseScore version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to MIDI PDF. Use the software's export function to save the score as a universal format like .midi or PDF. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.